Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you complete AutoCAD software in 40 minutes. So in this 40 minutes of duration, I will cover the concept which are related to user interface and a complete detailed explanation of 2D commands and how to draw the floor plan, and I will explain you column layout as well as beam layout for this respected tutorial. Now initially I will explain you the user interface which is related to the AutoCAD software so that you will understand what is there inside the AutoCAD software. So click on this AutoCAD software, which is I have AutoCAD software 2015 version. So most of the softwares having same amount of the user interface which is related to 2015 version. So click on this. So this is the user interface for this respected AutoCAD 2015 version. So this is the commands which is on the top, which is related to the line command, polyline, basically circle, arc, rectangle, centroid, and this is hatch, and some of the other commands which are related to the 2D floor plan drawing. Okay, so again, if you want to change these respected commands to the 3D panels, so you can select this respected gate bar on the bottom section. You can select here. So click on, let us consider it as 3D modeling process. So now you can see all the commands will be changed as per your considerations of your respected 3D modeler sections. Okay, so these top sections are comes under your commands which are related to the box, extrude, press, pull, and etc. for this 3D commands option. Okay, now I will change to drafting and annotation which is related to the 2D. So basically for drawing any kind of the object which is related to the 2D drawings, so initially we need to learn the commands which is related to the 2D objects drawing. Okay, so basically the commands which is related to the units command, limits command, dimensions command, line command, rectangular command, circle, arc, polyline, polygon, copy, move, rotate, mirror, offset, zoom, text, hatch, fillet, chamfer, trim, extend, erase, undo commands basically we will consider for drawing of 2D objects. Okay, so initially I will explain you all the details about this respected all commands so that you can understand the concepts for drawing of any kind of the objects with the help of the 2D commands. Okay, so first command is units command. So basically we will draw the units as per the considerations of the feet and inches. So why? Because most of the people are drawing this respective structure as per the site considerations only. So for the units command, initially we need to press the button UN, enter. So it will open your respective properties which is related to the length and angle sections. So initially we need to select the dimensions type as per your considerations. So here I am taking as per the engineering section. So why? Because engineering section will be comes under feet and inches. So that's why we will consider it as dimensions as engineering section, and we will consider the precision as per your considerations. So let us consider here as this 0 feet, some 0.00 inches, let us take. So now we have to select the intersection scale. So basically we will select it as feet only. So click on OK option. So this is the basic command which is helpful for selecting the units command, first one. So next command is limits command. So basically the limits command is also one of the important section. So we will select the limits. Let us consider the limits here. So initially it will ask you to specify the lower left corner. So here I am considering 5 feet 0 inches. Let us consider again I am taking 5 feet 0 inches is the lower left corner. Click on enter option. So after that it will ask you to select the upper right corner. So let us consider here as just I am taking it as 100 feet 0 inches. Let us consider, and this is also 100 feet, just I am considering 0 inches. Let us consider. So click on Z and enter. Now we can see the axis will be changed here like this. So which is having the limits command, limit to 100 feet 0 inches, 100 feet 0 inches. Okay, so this is the process of selecting limits. Okay, so the next command is dimension style. Okay, so basically if you draw any kind of the objects, basically we will select the dimensions for that respected object. So for that we have to fix the dimension style. So here as per the plan considerations, as per the 2D section considerations, we are selecting the commands as per the engineering section only. So as per the dimensions is also we need to consider as per the engineering section only. So for that we have to click on D, enter dimension style option. So here we have to select the dimension style as per the new or modify or select current. So here we will modify as per the standard systems. So click on modify option. So we have to select the primary units. So we have to select the units format type as per the engineering system. So here I am taking the precision as, let us consider 0 feet to some 0 inches. Let us take. Okay, so after that we have to select the text here. So you can select the text height as per your considerations. This time taking it as 9 inches. Let us consider. So click on OK option. So after that click on close option. So now I was selected with the dimension style. So the next command, fourth command, is line command. So this is one of the most important command. Basically this command will be helpful for drawing of lines in horizontal direction and vertical direction. So click on L, enter option. So it will ask you to select the specify the starting point. So initially I will select the starting point. Let us consider. So click on F8 option or the on off button. So let us consider the distance here. Just I am taking it as 20 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. Click on enter option. So after that click on Z, enter, enter option. Now we can see 20 feet line is drawn here like this. So again in the same process I will draw the vertical line also. L, enter. Select the starting point here. Again I am selecting the vertical point. Let us consider it as 25 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. So click on Z, enter option. So now we can see the lines was drawn here like this, which is consisting of 20 feet horizontal, 25 feet vertical. So now we can select this dimensions linear option. Select the starting point here. Again select the second point. So now we can see 20 feet line is drawn here like this. Again in the same process you can select the starting point for the vertical line and for the respective section. Okay, so this is the process of your respective line command. So this is helpful for drawing horizontal lines as well as your vertical lines. So if you want to draw the inclined lines, initially we need to turn up the ortho button. Select the starting point here. So click on F8 option. So depends upon your respected angle you can consider. Let us take 40 degrees, which is having the distance of 15 feet. Just I am considering 0 inches. Let us take. So click on enter. Now you can see the 40-degree line was drawn here like this. So if you want to measure this distance from the starting point to ending point, we can select here. Again you have to go to align option. Select the starting point here. Again select the ending point. Now you can see the 15 feet line was drawn here like this. Okay, so this is the process of drawing lines. So the next command will be comes under rectangle command. Basically this command also helpful for drawing of rectangular objects. So short form is REC, enter. So it will ask you to specify the first point, corner point of the rectangle. You can select the rectangle point here. Again you can specify the other corner point as per the area, dimension, rotation. So basically we will consider the rectangle as per the dimension style only. So why? Because we know that length of the rectangle and width of the rectangle, based on the respective values we will consider. So for that click on the dimensions option. Let us consider. So initially we need to enter the length of the rectangle. Basically I am considering it as, let us take it as some 40 feet 0 inches. So click on enter option. Again we have to select the width of the rectangle. Basically just I am assuming it as 30 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. Click on enter. Now you can see the rectangle box was drawn here like this, which is consisting of the length of the rectangle is 40 feet and width of this respective rectangle is 30 feet. Okay, so this is the process of drawing your rectangle command. Okay, so the next command which is related to the circle. So basically we will draw the circles with the help of the diameter as well as your radius. So click on C, enter option. So it will ask you to specify the corner center point. So you can select this center point. It will ask you to select the radius of this. This time considering the radius will be 15 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. Now we can see the 15 feet 0 inches circle was drawn here like this. Now I will explain you how to draw the rectangle with the help of diameter command. So click on circle command. So select the center point. Let us consider. So initially we need to select this respected diameter option. Otherwise you can click on the D, enter option. So here I am considering the diameter is, let us take it as 30 feet 0 inches. Click on enter. Now we can see the two circles was drawn with the help of the radius command and with the help of the diameter command. Okay, so this is the process for drawing of your respected circles. Now I will explain you arc command. So basically arc is nothing but the certain portion of the circle. So basically for that initially we need to draw the perpendicular lines which is related to the 15 feet 0 inches. Let us consider, as per my assumption, just I am taking 15 feet 0 inches in vertical section. So basically we will draw the arc in between these respected lines. So for that we have to select the arc command, A, enter. So it will ask you to select the starting point here. So basically arc can be drawn with the help of the three methods which is related to your respected center, starting point, ending point, 2-point arc, 3-point arc. Again it will be select as per the angle section. So initially I will explain you 3-point arc. So select the first starting point. So it will ask you to select the second point. Let us consider the second point here. So here I am considering the second point. Again it will ask you to select the third point. Let us consider this. Okay, this is the arc which is drawn with the help of the 3-point command. So now I will explain you the center and 2-point arc. So consider A, enter option. So it will ask you to select the starting point of the arc. So before selecting the starting point of the arc, initially we need to select the center. So let us consider, select the center point for this respected option. So again it will ask you to select the starting point of the arc. Let us consider the starting point here. So again we have to select the second point of the arc. Let us consider here like this. Now we can see the arc is drawn for this respected section here like this with the help of the 2-point arc. Okay, now I will explain you how to draw the arc with the help of the angle section. So basically we will select the center for that. Select this respected center point here. So basically we will select the starting point here. So again we have to select the angular section, so you can select the angle here as per your considerations. Basically I'm considering it as 50. Click on enter. Now you can see 50-degree arc was drawn here like this. Okay, so this is the process of drawing your arc for the any kind of the perpendicular lines. Okay, now I will explain you polyline. So basically I will explain you how to draw the some objects with the help of the line, and I will explain you how to draw the same object with the help of the polyline, so that you can understand what is the polyline and as well as what is the line. So click on line command, select this point, let us consider. Just I'm selecting F8 option, select this second point, again I'm selecting this respected point. Let us consider this is the box gesture was drawn with the help of the line command. So click on polyline command. Now I will draw the same amount of the box as per the rough dimensions. So let us consider the point, again I'm considering the point, again I'm considering point. Okay, so if you want to select any one of the box, let us consider, just I'm considering this respected line. So click on this respected line. So if you select this respected line, only it will select upper portion of your respected line. So again if you want to select this respected box, this line, so you can select, but it will select whole object. Okay, for selecting of single object as per the considerations, you can select the line command. So for selecting whole object with the help of the continuous section, so we will draw with polyline command. So this is the process of polyline command. Okay, now the next command which is related to polygon. So basically polygon is nothing but object which is drawn with the help of the more than or equal to 3 number of sides. So if you want to draw any one of the object with the help of the polygon section which is having 10 number of the sides, basically we will draw with the polygon command only. Okay, so let us consider the polygon, POL, enter option. So it will ask you to select the number of sides. So as per my consideration, just I'm taking it as 9. So it will select you to select the center point of the polygon. So basically polygon will be drawn with the help of the inscribe circle and circumscribe. So here I'm considering it as inscribe circle. Let us consider. So click on this respected point. So here I'm taking it as 10 feet 0 inches inscribe polygon. So again I'm selecting polygon command, POL, enter option. Select this center point. Let us consider. So it will ask you to select the number of sides. Just I'm considering it as 8. So let us consider the center point here. Again I'm selecting circumscribe. Let us consider. So if you consider the 10 feet 0 inches circle with radius, so now we can draw on this respected polygon. So this is the polygon which is drawn with the help of the inscribe circle, and this is the polygon which is drawn with the help of the circumscribe. Okay, so this is the process of drawing the polygon command. Okay, so you can draw n number of the objects. I was already explained that respected video process in my previous sections. I will attach that respected videos in the top of this respected card. You can select that. Okay, so the next command which is related to the respected copy option. Okay, so basically copy command will be helpful for creating the n number of the object with the same dimensions. So for example, let us consider this is the polygon. So I need to create the copies for this respected polygon. So if you want to create the copies for this respected polygon, we will use copy command. So click on CO, enter. So basically this is the copy command shortcut. Select this respected point, click on enter option, select the base point here. So you can select the n number of the objects like this. So it will select the multiple copies of the objects as per your considerations of the plan. So this is the process of creating your copies for these respected objects. Okay, so with this respected option you can create the multiple objects with the help of the same amount of the dimensions for this respected section. Okay, so the next command which is related to the move. Okay, so this command will be helpful for moving the object from one position to the another position. So let us consider the polygon section which is related to the first object and second object. So if you want to move this respected polygon section one number to the right hand side section, we will use move command, M, enter. Select this. So it will ask you to select the object. Select this respected object. Let us consider. Click on enter option, select the base point here. Just I'm considering the base point. So let us consider the distance. Just I'm taking it as 50 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. Now you can see the polygon is moved from this position to the from this position, which is having the distance from the starting point to ending point is 50 feet. Okay, so this is the process of moving the object from one position to the another position. Okay, next command is rotate command. So basically the rotate command is also helpful for drawing of respected rotation of the object. So let us consider, just I'm taking one object which is related to the triangle here like this. Let us consider. So here I wanted to rotate this respected object. Initially you need to click on RO, enter. So select all the objects which is related to the rotate command. Click on enter option. Select any one of the base point. Just I'm considering the base point here like this. So you can select the angle for that respective rotation. Just I am considering the angle is, let us take it as 270. Click on enter. Now we can see the object is rotated here. So with the help of your respected angle like 50 degrees or 60 degrees or 90 degrees or 180 degrees, 270 degrees or 360 degrees, you can rotate the object, okay, with the same procedure. Now the next command is mirror command. So basically mirror command will be helpful for drawing of the mirror objects, creating the mirror objects for the existing section. So let us consider the mirror command shortcut mi enter. So select this respected object, let us take, click on enter option. So it will ask you to specify the first point of the mirror line. Again it will ask you to select the second point of the mirror line. So click on enter option. Now we can see the mirror objects was created here. So let us consider again mirror command mi enter. Select this objects, let us take, click on enter option. Select the starting point here. Again I am selecting the second point here. So if you want to erase the source of the object, you can click on the Y option. Otherwise if you doesn't want to create the source of the object, click on N enter option. Now we can see the mirror is applied for this respected object here like this, okay. So with this respected procedure you can create a number of the object which is related to the mirror command. So now I will explain you offset command. So basically this is offset command will be helpful for creating the offsets for the lines or objects or any one of the sections as per the considerations of the drawing. So let us consider the line. This time I want to create the offset for this respected line. So click on offset command, O enter. So it will ask you to select the distance from the offset. Let us take it as 5 feet 0 inches. So here I am considering the offset distance is 5 feet 0 inches. Now you can see the 5 feet offset is drawn here like this. So with the help of this respected procedure you can draw the end of the object in horizontal position as well as your vertical position. So now I will apply the offset which is related to the 5 inches for the polygon section. So let us consider, now we can see polygon section is drawn here with the offset command of 5 inches, okay. So this is the process of creating offset for the objects, okay. So with the help of this respected procedure you can create a number of the objects here, okay. Now the next command is zoom command. So basically this command will be helpful for increasing the object size. So basically let us consider this is my object, I want to zoom this respected object. You can click on zoom command. So let us consider starting point here, let us consider second point, click on this. Now we can see the object was zoomed here like this, okay. So with the help of this respected procedure you can zoom the any kind of the object. Next command is text command. So this is also one of the most important step. So let us consider this is my let us consider some box or anything. Let us consider just I want to give the name as A. So for that we have to click on text command, T enter. Select the starting point, again you have to click on the second point here like this, okay. Select the text like this. Let us consider A, B, C. Let us consider. So click on Control A option. So you can select the size of the text as per your considerations. Let us take it as 1 feet 0 inches. Click on enter. So click on this point. Now we can see ABC is drawn inside this respective rectangular section, okay. So with this respected procedure you can draw the n number of the text as per your considerations of the rooms and as per the considerations of the blocks, okay. So this is the process. The next command which is related to the hatching. So this is one of the important command. So basically if you want to fill this respected object with any kind of the material which is related to the concrete section or brickwork section or some another color, basically we will use hatch command, okay. So let us consider this respected 4 objects. I will fill these respected objects with the help of the hatching so that you will clearly understand that one. So initially we need to click on H enter option. So it will ask you to select the patterns which is related to the hatch command. So you can select the patterns here available in the top. So let us consider the AR concrete, just I am considering. So click on this respected inside position. Now we can see the hatching will be applied for this respected position here like this, okay. So let us consider the scale as per this as 6, okay. So again you can select any one of the brickwork here. This time considering let us consider it as so let us consider the brick here. So click on this respected position point. Again you can select the pattern. Let us consider it as some 20 scale. Let us take. Now you can see the brickwork is applied here. So let us consider the hatch command again. So I want to fill this respected object with some color. So just I am considering here as solid color and select the color as per the, let us consider it as red. So click on this point. Now we can see hatching is applied here like this. So with the help of this respected command, hatch command, another one is inclined lines. So basically we will apply this inclined lines for the wall sections. So let us consider the 30 scale. So click on this point, click on this point. Now we can see the inclined lines will be drawn here like this, okay. So this is the process of hatch command. Next command is fillet command and chamfer command. So basically fillet command is nothing but drawing of the curve portion in between the perpendicular lines, okay. So if you consider, let us take here let us consider this. So if I want to draw the fillet command for this perpendicular line, let us consider here as fillet, F enter. Select the objects which is related to the first line and second line. So before that, initially we need to select the radius for that respected section. So here I am considering the 2 feet 0 inches for the first line fillet radius. Again I am considering the radius. Let us consider the first line is here. Again I am considering the second line here. Now we can see the inclined portion, the curved portion is applied here like this. So if you want to apply the straight line for this respected object, basically we will go with chamfer command. So short form is CHA. Select CHA command, click on enter. So initially we need to select the distance here. So let us consider the first offset will be comes under the distance of 10 feet 0 inches. Again in the same process, just I am taking 10 feet 0 inches for the second line. So here I am selecting the first line, again I am selecting the second line. Now we can see the chamfer is applied for these respective lines like this. Okay. The next command which is related to the trim. So this is one of the most important command. So basically, so let us consider the line. Just I am drawing the horizontal lines for this respective object here like this. Again in the same process, just I am drawing the offset command here like this. So if you want to remove the excess of the portion which is related to the outside sections, we will apply the trim command. So basically trim command will be helpful for removing the excess of the portion or excess of the objects which is related to the selected object. Okay, so you can apply the trim for this respected object if you want to remove the sections like this. Okay, so this is the process of trimming. Okay, next command is extend command. So if you want to extend the lines which is already trimmed here, we can apply the extend. So EX double enter is the short form. So click on this respected point. Let us consider this respected point. So this is the process of extension command. So the next command is erase command. So basically we will use to delete the excess of the objects. So erase E enter. Select the objects here like this. So initially I am selecting horizontal lines, vertical lines. Again I am selecting bottom section lines here like this. Click on enter. Now we can see all the objects are removed here. So this is the process of erase command. Next command is undo command. So if you want to recollect the already deleted objects or already edited, already modified objects, we will use this command. So short form is U command, U enter. So now we can see all the deleted objects will be comes to the picture here like this. Okay, so these are the all the commands which are related to the detailed explanation for the limits and units and undo etc. commands which are related to the basic 2D commands. Okay, so I was already created 5 videos which is related to this respected commands in my YouTube channel. You can check the playlist in AutoCAD tutorials. You can check that respected complete process, detailed process of drawing this respected 2D commands options. Okay, now I will explain you how to draw the simple floor plan by using AutoCAD software. So basically I will consider this respected floor plan which is having 25 feet in horizontal direction and 45 feet in vertical direction. So I will draw this respected floor plan for simple understanding, which is consisting of west facing direction. So go to your AutoCAD software. So select all the objects, Control A, click on delete option, click on enter option. Now it will clear all your respected object. So initially we need to draw the rectangular command which is related to the 45 feet cross 25 feet. Okay, so let us consider the line, L enter. Select the starting point, let us take. So here I am considering it as 25 feet 0 inches. Click on enter. So here I am considering it as 45 feet 0 inches. Let us take. Again in the same process in a horizontal direction, just I am taking it as 25 feet 0 inches. Click on see enter. Now we can see the rectangular box is drawn with the help of the given dimensions as per the considerations. Okay, so initially I will start with this respected tutorial from the dining section and kitchen section. So otherwise you can start from the bedroom section also. Basically before that we need to draw the external wall section. Basically external wall section will be comes under the thickness of 9 inches. So here I am considering the 9 inches thickness external wall section for this drawing like this. Okay, so now I will explain you how to draw the rooms like this, internal rooms for this respected object. So initially I will select the offset command. So let us consider the main bedroom will be consisting of 11 feet. Let us take. So here I am considering it as 11 feet 0 inches, enter option. So initially I am drawing this respected 11 feet line like this. So after that we have to draw the internal line section which is related to the 5 inches. Okay, let us consider. So after that it will be consisting of one washroom section here like this. So you can draw the washroom section which is having the dimensions which is related to the 4 feet 0 inches. Let us take here. Again I am selecting it as 4 feet 0 inches. Again I am considering it as 5 inches. Let us consider here like this. Okay, so after that you have to draw the bedroom section, another children bedroom section which is having some dimensions which is related to, let us take it as 11 feet only. So here I am considering the another offset which is consisting of 11 feet. Just I am considering 0 inches for the next section. So let us take here. Again I am considering the offset which is related to the 5 inches. So after that we have to draw this respected toilet. Let us consider the toilet will be exist here. Let us consider the offset which is having 5 feet 0 inches. Just I am considering as per my considerations like this. So click on this. So trim the excess of the line portion which is below this. Okay, so click on offset. We will draw the 5 inches line section. Let us consider. Okay, so now we have to draw this open kitchen portion for this section. So just I am considering the offset which is related to the having the open kitchen portion. Let us take it as 8 feet 0 inches section. So here I am considering the starting line. Click on this. Again click on offset which is having 5 inches section like this. Now we can see all the rooms are drawn here like this. Now we have to draw the vertical section for this respected room sections. Okay, so for that we will apply the offset. Let us consider it as 12 feet 0 inches offset line. Select this respected point. Let us consider. Again I am taking 5 inches internal wall section like this. So after that we have to trim the excess of the portions for this respected object like this. So now we have to draw the opening parking section here like this. So for that just I am applying the offset command which is having distance of 6 feet 0 inches section. Let us take here. Just I am considering here. Trim the lines which is related to the horizontal section and vertical section. Again in the same process we have to trim this respected lines on the right hand side portion. Okay, click on offset. Let us take it as external wall section will be consisting of 9 inches. Let us consider here. Okay, so again we have to trim this excess of the portion which is related to the all the room sections. Okay, so basically we will remove this. Again we will remove this respected portion. Okay, so now we can see the rooms are drawn here like this for this respected section which is comes under the bedroom and this is the washroom. Basically we will apply the offset for this respected washroom also. So for that initially I will delete this respected object with the trim offset command. 6 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. So here I am considering the offset for the horizontal portion of 6 feet. Again I am considering offset with 5 inches. Let us consider. Okay, so after removing all these respected lines we need to remove all the excess of the portions for this respected building drawing. Okay, so for that we will apply the trimming command, tr double enter. So you can trim this respected object. In the same process you can repeat the procedure for the rest of these respected objects here like this. So now we have to apply the door section for this respected floor plan. So as per the considerations it will be consisting of the doors like this. So for that we will apply the opening section only. Okay, so click on line command, enter option. Let us consider the doors here. Again I am applying the line command, L, enter option. Select this respected point. You can trim these objects which is related to the horizontal lines, tr double enter. Again you can trim these lines. Again you can trim this line. So this is the process of opening the doors for this respected floor plan. So in the same process we will apply the doors for the all the objects for this drawing. So now I was applied with all openings for the door sections. So in the same process we will apply the doors for the respected floor plan. Okay, now we will draw the window section for this respected object. So basically for that we need to apply the lines here. Let us consider the starting point here. Let us consider. So again we will consider some lines, but as per the standard considerations we need to consider the dimensions of the window and dimensions of the section under your respected considerations. Okay, so for rough explanation just I am considering here as vertical lines. So as per my rough estimation property section. Okay, so after that we have to apply the offset which is related to the 3 inches lines here. So click on this respected line. Let us consider. Click on apply offset. Again apply offset. We have to trim the lines which is in exist for the left hand side section. Again we will apply the offset for the lines which is exist for the right hand side section. Okay, again we will remove the line. Now we can see the window is applied here like this. So in the same procedure we can apply the windows for the respective remaining section. Now I will apply the remaining section windows here. Now I was applied the window section for this respected section. Now we have to apply the ventilation section. So for that just I am drawing the line. Let us consider here starting point. Again you have to click on F8 option, click on the second point. Now we have to consider the line again. Again I am considering here tr double enter. So click on this respected point, click on this respected point. Again I am drawing offset which is related to the 3 inches. Let us consider here. So here I am considering the 3 inches offset, again 3 inches offset, TR double enter here. So you can apply the trimming for this respected line. So in the same process we need to apply the ventilator section for the remaining object. So after drawing all these respected doors and windows, we need to give the text for these respected rooms. So let us consider, just I am taking the rooms like let us take here starting point, ending point. Let us just I am considering it as room 1. So you can give the dimensions as per your considerations of the floor plan. So let us consider, initially we will measure the distance in horizontal position and vertical position. Just I am considering the linear measurement option, starting point, ending point. Let us take it as 12 inches, 12 feet, sorry. So let us consider starting point, ending point, which is of 11 feet in vertical section. Room 1 let us take. So here I am considering it as 12 feet 0 inches cross 11 feet 0 inches. Okay, so here I am considering the room 1. So in the same process you can apply the room for this respected remaining section. Okay, so due to the length of this respected video I am not creating any one of the room for the remaining section, but just I will create copies for this respected room section. Okay, so click on T, let us consider starting point, ending point. Just I will give some name, room like this. Let us take here as dimensions as 1 inch. Okay, so click on copy option. So click on this, click on starting point, select the copy, select this respected room. Let us consider. So here I am considering this respected object like this. Again I am considering this respected object. Okay, so with this respected procedure you can give the object name. So now we have to apply the columns for this respected section. Okay, so that is one of the important section. So for this respected floor plan, just I am assuming the column size will be comes under your respected distance of 9 inches cross 12 inches. So initially we will create the column with the polyline command, PL enter, select the starting point here. So in horizontal position we will consider it as 9 inches. Again in vertical position we will consider it as 12 inches. Let us consider. In horizontal again we will consider it as 9 inches. Click on C, enter. Okay, now we can see the column will be drawn with the polyline like this. So click on copy command. So click on this respected object. The corner of this respected object will be this one. So for that just I am selecting the corner here. Click on this position. Now you can see the column will be applied here like this. So in the same process we will apply the columns for the remaining sections of the building under considerations. Now you can see all the columns are applied here like this for this respected floor plan. Now we have to fill the respected column section with the help of the hatch command. So click on hatch, enter. So let us consider the INC 45 degree line. So here I am considering this respected scale is 20. Click on this point. So otherwise you can apply here as 10 as per the considerations. So select this inside this respected position. So inside this respected position, inside this respected position. Again in the same process we will apply the hatch command for the remaining sections under considerations of the floor plan. Let us consider here. Again I am considering 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 here. Again in the same process we will consider. Okay, click on Z, enter, enter option. Now you can see all the columns are applied for this floor plan here like this. Okay, now we have to draw the beam sections for this respected floor plan. Okay, so that is the second one. So for that initially we need to copy the column section. Select all the columns which is related to this respected column sections under considerations. So for the secondary beam section just I am considering this respected objects here like this. Again I am considering objects here like this. Click on copy option, select the starting point, let us take here. So after that we have to click on F8 option. So initially I will apply the copies for the column sections. Again I will apply the copies for the beam sections like this. Okay, so now we have to apply the beam sections for this respected building under considerations. So for that initially we need to rotate this respected model. So here I am considering this respected section under rotation option here like this. So initially we need to draw the lines. Let us consider line command, select the starting point here. Again I am drawing the line here like this. Again in the same process just I am drawing the line section here like this for the external beam sections. Let us consider. Again I am drawing the offset which is related to the 9 inches section for the internal beam sections like this. Let us consider this point. Again I am considering this respected point. Again I am considering this respected point. So in the same process just I am drawing the beam sections which is related to the internal beam sections and external beam sections. Again I am drawing the line. Let us consider the starting point here. Again I am considering the ending point here. So let us consider the offset which is of 9 inches. So click on this respected point here, click on this respected point. So now we have to extend this respected line, EX double enter. So select this respected lines here like this, again select this respected lines. Okay, so click on the line command, again I am selecting the starting point here, again I am selecting the second point here, again click on offset, let us take it as 9 inches for this respected beam section. Let us consider starting point, again select the second point, again in the same process we will apply the 9 inches beam section for this respected object here like this. Okay, so click on offset command, click on this respected point. Now we can see the beams are drawn here. Again I will apply the 9 inches for this respected section. Okay, so this is the beam layout diagram. Now I will explain you how to draw the column layout diagram for this respected section. So for that, initially I will rotate this respected model, so I will delete this respected section. So for that we will create the layers which is related to the center line diagram. So click on layer property. So initially I will select this new layer property option. So here I am selecting it as column, again I am selecting color as white. So we need to select here as per the load considerations, and we will select as per the center line only. So just I am considering it as center section 2, which is of 0.5. click on OK. So again we have to click on OK option. So click on this respected selection option of continuous, again we will change to center to, click on OK. So click on this respected point. Now we have to draw the lines for this respected object. So for that we have to click on line command. So before that we will change the layer property to the C. Okay, so firstly we will select the line command. So initially we need to select the center point of this, again we will draw the center point of this respected position like this. Okay, now we will change this respected line scale with the help of the LTS option. Let us consider here as 10, click on enter. Now we can see the line will be drawn here like this. So again we have to draw the line. So in the same process we will apply the horizontal lines and vertical lines for this respected floor plan. Now we can see all the center lines are drawn here like this. So after that we have to measure the center to center distance for the each and every section in horizontal position and vertical position. So select the starting point, again select the ending point. Let us consider here like this. Again we have to select the starting point here, again in the same process we have to select the ending point here. So click on this respected position here like this. So you can click on this point. So again in the same process we have to select the starting point at this center, again we will select the starting point at this center. So click on this point. Again in the same process we will select the starting point at this, again we will select the starting point at this, again click on this respected position point. So click on this, again we have to select the center point like this, again we have to select the center point like this, again click on this respected position here like this. Okay, now you can see the center line diagram will be exist for the column section here like this. Okay, so this is the floor plan, and this is the beam layout diagram, and this is the column layout diagram. The detailed videos are explained already in my channel. You can check that respected videos on the above card link. I will provide that respected videos in the below description and above card link for this respected video. So this is the complete process of 2D commands and how to draw the floor plan and how to draw the beam layout diagram and how to draw the column layout diagram by using AutoCAD software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for the respected questions. Thank you.